Alright guys, we're back again today. I wanted to make this video. Some of you guys are around your house, you guys are working on stuff, phones, taking computers apart, or just anything that's gadget-wise, taking clocks or whatever, soldering, doing a whole bunch of cool stuff. Well, I was watching another YouTube channel called Stez Sticks Fix, and that's STEZSTIX-fix with question mark. Great channel, love his videos, relaxing, funny guy. Check him out. He doesn't know me, I don't know him, I just like his channel, but I saw he had a cool silicone mat. So I tried finding it, looked it up online, found the exact one he had. They had different colors, black and blue, different kind of orientations of where you want parts, but I picked this one. And this is the silicone work mat. This is the large model that I bought. It's supposed to be 17.3 by 11.8. Yeah, it's supposed to be able to handle solder temperatures of 932 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's pretty cool. Magnetic little spots on it where you can put your tools in. And you can put your screwdrivers in. I mean, I'm excited just for laptop repair, taking laptops apart or taking anything apart, being able to have a nice place where my screws aren't going to fall out. I know iFixit has a little magnetic part for their new toolkit. I will be getting one of those toolkits. I need a pro one. I have an old pro one. I need to be upgrading, so I need to be getting one of those next. But yeah, I really wanted a mat to stop scratching my tables and everything like that. Make my wife a lot happier, and that's important. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. Let's look at this thing. Alright, let's open this sucker up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I don't even need a knife. That's funny. Alright. Alright. Oh. Oh, wow. Anything in the box? Nope, nothing else in the box. Oh, wow. That is awesome. That is so dang cool. I'm super, super excited about this thing. Let's see here. How do we rip it open? Oh, wow. Yes. I love this feeling. Feels like a huge rubber band. Let's see how these little container doors are. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, nice and stiff. Getting it kind of used to the new compressor. There we go. That's awesome. That is so freaking cool. Got spots here. Has a little measuring tape all the way up to 19 inches right here on this side. Let's all touch. It says in each door, so this is parts, magnetic. Parts, magnetic, parts. A19, A17, it was A1 all the way up. We have tool supplies, part box, and this is A, B, and C. And then this right here is magnetic too for around there. And then all these little numbers here, these are 1 all the way through 108. So I guess if you have different screw steps, you can kind of backtrack. That's pretty cool. I'm just thinking this out of my head. I don't know, but I'm thinking as in the steps, you could have all the screws in the steps, so you can backtrack your steps. Oh, let's start from number 1. Oh, this is the screw that I first took out or whatever. That's pretty dope. I'm just, I'm thinking as I'm doing this, I'm not an expert at all this, but, so then these little holders here, you can put your screw tops and push them in on top here too. That is, I just love this thing. This thing is so cool. Made well. Let's see here. Let's see how magnetic it is. I don't know if this is even a magnetic piece. Let's see. Parts. That's parts. Magnetic. Is it magnetic? Oh, yeah. Definitely magnetic. Oh, that's not as magnetic. So I guess it just depends on which magnet you're putting into. Here's another magnetic one. Yeah, so I guess it just depends. It's on the back here. Oh, you know what it is? What I just realized. The top part, I don't think of this. Get this all in there. There you go. This part is not magnetic. This part in here is magnetic in there for the littler screws. How much you want to, I guarantee you that's what it is. If I can, this isn't big, small enough to fit in there. No, it's not small enough to fit in there. But I guarantee you... Oh, there we go. Yeah. That's for the little smaller screws. That's why it has like a little channel in there where they can all fit around. But yeah, I mean, this is so cool. I love this thing. Take all my stuff apart. That is just really cool. I mean, it looks really durable. See the back. Oh, that has little magnetic parts. That's probably what the magnets are. Here and here, yep. Guarantee you that's what those are. That is just, it feels so cool. It feels like a big rubber band. Or a Stretch Armstrong that's been spread out. That's freaking awesome. I love this. These will have to get, as I use them more, they'll get easier to stick in there, but they definitely lock in there. So that's nice. You don't have to worry about your stuff coming out what's in there. So yeah, definitely locks in there. As I open it up and it just falls open again. Let's see. I'm gonna get this on camera for you guys. Make sure that's all in there. Okay. Yeah. Yep, there you go. Yep, there you go. Yeah, so it works. Making sure. Yeah, that's awesome though. I just love the feeling of this. Yeah, this is just, it's gonna be great work mat doing tools on it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Looks like it heals itself, almost like. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, let's get into my final thoughts on this. Alright guys, so that was the silicone work mat. An awesome mat. I tell you what, I mean, it's just an awesome looking mat. And they have black ones, different drawers. Some of them don't have the drawers on the side. Some of them are just a bigger area here with just these kind of ones up here. There's different ones sides there. They have all different ones. This is the one I chose. I'll leave a link in the description, so go check it out. There's different versions just depending on what suits your needs. But I thought this would be cool, like I said. They have all the numbers here to put the screws in here. I mean, just all this cool stuff, and it really seems durable, too. I want to see if I'm rolling it up. Let's see. Yeah, I'm probably not going to try and roll it up that often because, I want it to get that flat state. So, but yeah, I'm very pleased with getting this. Very pleased, actually. So I would definitely recommend it. I've already used it a couple times, and I love it. So hey, if you guys like these videos, please like, comment, subscribe. I really just wanted to show you guys something cool that everybody should add to their arsenal and tech bag. And not scratching table, keeping parts located where you need them to find them at a instance or a glance. I don't know how many it is when people put their screws all over in different steps, but this has steps here. You can have a side for, oh, this is the side right here when I took the thing apart, the outside parts. And these are the inside parts. You can have them all labeled there. Even if you're not going to even use the mat, and you just want to use this just to hold all the screws, because your screws will show up on it very nicely. And you can have a device over here on another mat. That's just awesome. This could just be for the parts itself. So as you're taking stuff out of the part of the main device, you could store them here on this and just have them in all their different sections with the screws kind of in that area. And you can get two of these, one for working on and one just for holding the parts when you don't need that part at that time. There's so many ideas that just come in this head of mine. So I hope it helps you guys out, gets you ideas, gets your brains going. Because remember what I say, always watch everyone's video. Everybody has different ideas, different takes on things. This is what makes the world go round. So if you can make my world go round, please hit that like, hit the comment button, make some cool comments, and hit that subscribe button. Oh, it helps me every time. But the most important thing of all is, you guys are having a rock and rolling day. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.